Hi guys, and welcome to the final lesson of the Program Your Destiny course. We're very excited now that we've deprogrammed pain bodies, we've deprogrammed chatterboxes, we've got your social identity, we've empowered your social identity to become a social alpha. Now you're at designing your social identity lifestyle, free from pain bodies, enjoying your natural nature destiny, which is young and adult true love. It's both. So designing a social identity lifestyle free from pain bodies and embracing your true nature, your social identity. To achieve social and personal fulfillment, you must first remove the negative psychological imprints known as pain bodies, as well as the associated chatterboxes associated with the strict parent morality as discussed with by George Lakoff. Pain bodies, as mentioned by Eckhart Tolle, are deeply ingrained, neuroassociative structured, formed by past conditioning, etc. These pain bodies block the natural self, creating hesitation, fear, and emotional resistance, and prevent you from being and enjoying your social identity. So neuroassociative reprogramming is required to eliminate these blockages permanently, restore your ability to live in full alignment with your highest value self, your social identity, your social heterosexual identity. And once freed, your actions, social interactions, and relationships become effortless and magnetic. Your charismatic, confident, attractive, and high-status presence is there. So the natural social identity is a reflection of your highest value and should be a direct representation of your self-actualized being, that social heterosexual self of yours that acts on its own intentions, is uninhibited, is sex positive, all of that good stuff. You exude confidence, power, and desirability. You effortlessly attract and magnetize high-value individuals and resonate your energy, ambition, and status. Engage in hypersocial interactions with ease, commanding attention, reinforcing your position of social dominance. Live in harmony with natural nature utopia, your heterosexual utopia. Your youthful, vitally true love and fulfilling relationships flow effortlessly. You operate at peak social flow state, ensuring every interaction builds momentum towards a greater influence and success. So we're designing our DHV, or demonstration of higher value lifestyle. A high value lifestyle seamlessly merges ambition, success, elite socialization, things that get us really excited, that social sexy lifestyle. And that's an alpha couple lifestyle, is kind of that natural nature utopia. And the pinnacle of this philosophy, demonstrating balance, power, relentless upward mobility. Key elements are sexual polarity mastery, the heightened attraction dynamic between masculinity and femininity, reinforcing that raw chemistry and energetic dominance and physicality. Financial mastery and young money hustle, if you will, demonstrating financial intelligence using strategic investments, high income skill acquisition, and business acumen to generate wealth. The old money sophistication aspect of it is that timeless elegance, that kind of European aspect, that cultured sophistication, refined status positioning over long-term influence. And in terms of your daily high-value routines, it's curating a lifestyle blueprint that maximizes physical health, mental clarity, financial ascension, and deep emotional, physical connection between male and female. The best day daily, living that utopian ideal together. A truly optimized life is structured around maximum fulfillment, attraction, and success. Each day should embody a cycle of self-mastery, reinforcing your status, financial growth, hypersocial magnetism, and the best day daily is structured in terms of that that social identity best day. From a morning standpoint, you have your power rituals and your peak state activation. That's your Tony Robbins power hour in the morning. Intense physical training, visualization exercises, spoken affirmations, positive NAC. Financial mastery session, daily portfolio analysis, business planning, strategic goal setting, priming for dominance, setting that energetic tone for the day with power, decisiveness, and high value positioning. In terms of midday, you've got that social and business domination. You're engaging in that high-level networking. You're doing your deals. You're running your processes. You're doing your workflows. You're executing your strategic plays, whether it's closing deals, acquiring assets, expanding business ventures. And in terms of that high-status social calibration, you're fine-tuning your charisma, tonality, body language to command presence and respect in every setting. In terms of that evening, it's that hyper-social and hyper-heterosexual celebration. It's cocktails and dancing, immersing in that exclusive nightlife. My wife and I like to go EDM dancing, European dancing, high-energy music. It's EDM music. It's much fun for us. In terms of attraction mastery, it's engaging in fluid, high-energy interactions, reinforcing your dominance in social and romantic settings. Intimate connection rituals, cultivating deep, passionate, meaningful connections, ensuring that your relationship energy maintains magnetic and electrifying, and also reflecting in gratitude together, that state of appreciation for each other and just life in general. So ultimately what we're after is designing that lifestyle, that sexy heterosexual lifestyle and that natural nature utopia, and that's the destiny of us. It's that masculine and feminine polarity fully expressed, ambition and fulfillment operating in perfect balance, social dominance and deep personal connection harmonized. And so the hypersocial, hyperheterosexual couple living in natural nature utopia represents the pinnacle of self-actualization. Every interaction is a demonstration of higher value and attraction. Every moment is peak energy expressed, and every action aligns with confidence, status, and boundless opportunity. And I'm super excited for you guys. You made it through the entire course. Stay tuned. Get the ebook, get the physical book, stay in touch with me, reach out. This is a lifelong process of having magical moments all day, every day, as a part of your daily existence. And this is your destiny, guys. Much love all. Mastering your social identity and lifestyle, designing a lifestyle free from pain bodies. You reclaim your natural state of confidence that's social positive, and through mastery of financial success, deal making, demonstration of higher value, you're unstoppable. Love, wealth, power exist in infinite supply, available to those who step into their highest self, your social identity, and this is the life you are meant to live. Seize it, design it, and own your destiny.